Every time you hire, your CRM bill grows. So you ask AI to build the CRM you actually want. And honestly, it can look brilliant, fast. That was fast. Then production happens. Authentication, backups, patches, migrations, deployment. Congratulations, you swapped the seat tax for an AI hangover. Buzzy gives you a third path, built at AI speed on a government-maintained application core. Start with a CRM, then add operation, approvals, portals, and field applications, all in the same Buzzy deployment. There's more. Connect your AI agents like ChatGPT or Claude to your Buzzy CRM with a custom MCP, full AI-powered CRM. Ask something like, show every opportunity at risk. It reads live records, updates the opportunity, and then drafts a response with approval before writing back. Then add things like world events, competitor intelligence, and strategy. Your CRM stays the system of record, your AI agent gets superpowers. The medium and web mobile deployment is $50 per month, one server, multiple apps. Build your first at buzzy.buzz.